Welcome to Shikha's French Studio. If you are learning French from the beginning, then this quick lesson is perfect for you. Today, you will learn complete French alphabets from A to Z with correct pronunciation. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. A is A, B is B, C is Se, D is De, E is U, F is F, G is J, H is H. H is silent in French. I is E, J is J, K is K, L is L, M is M, N is N, O is O, P is P, Q is Q, R is R, S is S, T is T, U is U, V is V, W is W, X is X, Y is Y, Z is Z. Great job! Now let's repeat the French alphabet once smoothly together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Remember, French letters are not pronounced like English, so practice daily to improve your French pronunciation and speaking skills. If this lesson helped you, like and share and subscribe to Shikha's French Studio. Learn French for easy and beginners friendly French lessons.